I'm going to call this bargain day. This is amazing. These are all going to be $9.99. This is a 100% cotton. It's a pontaroma. It has stretch in both directions. All of these are very limited, just FYI. They're all very limited, but this is just a beautiful piece. Just great. It wouldn't matter what you did. 100% cotton knit, stretch in both directions. This is 100% silk. Beautiful. At $9.99. It's just a complete giveaway. Absolutely stunning. It's a woven. It's a milk with a black, a very thin pinstripe. Very pretty. Again, 100% silk, black, with a white. It's not really a white. It's kind of like a gray. It's not really a gray, but it's lighter. Anyway, very beautiful fabric also. It's a woven. Then we have a linen blend. This is a woven also. Again, just a little bit of yardage. Beautiful light gray color. Just great. These are just beautiful basics. They go really all year round. This is a denim. This is a stretch denim. It's 100% cotton. And again, it's a beautiful piece. Beautiful piece. Not a lot of yardage, but it's a beautiful piece. This is a classic. It is going to, it's a cotton poly. It's a woven. Something you can literally wear year round. Pair it with the black denim. It may just be adorable. Put a little black piping in there. It could be pants. It could be anything. It's really a perfect way. Again, all $9.99. The goal is you will have, with these fabrics, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.